Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I got a very interesting project and it's highly time sensitive, so if you guys make sure you hit the bell notification. I didn't do this on purpose. There's some tasks we need to do that's I think that will help to become eligible for the airdrop, and it's very time sensitive. But because it's time sensitive, that's also why I think it's going to be important to do it, because a lot of people won't be able to farm it. So the project is called Avail. Per usual, guys, nothing financial advice in my videos. So Avail is a project by some veterans from Polygon, another layer 2 project on top of Ethereum, as you guys might have heard of. They're into the data availability industry, or the data availability sector, which is made huge by Celestia. Per usual, if you guys want to read about it, I'll put the links in the description. They've raised 27 million as of date, and from some tier 1 investors. As you can see, Balaji is the ex-CTO of Coinbase. He sold the Earn company. He's done many things, mogul in the industry. Founders found Dragonfly. As you can see, just tier 1 investors. You got Sunny Agarwal, who's from Cosmos Interchain, or the company behind it. So you got Osmosis as well. As you can tell, like some really good investors in here, and these are by Polygon, a veteran. The whole project is by two of these guys that are part of Polygon team. So what the tasks are, they've got recently, they launched their light client liftoff. I haven't seen many people talking about this, and I thought it does require more attention. And so it says that the challenge ends on the 9th. Now I don't know if the 9th is included or excluded, so I did ask them, but they haven't replied. But it's the 8th now, so as soon as this video goes online, just try to do it straight away. It's very easy. I'm going to show you guys what the tasks are. So the first thing you want to do is download this wallet, Sub Wallet. The website is subwallet.app. Once you click on this link, you're going to go in here, this site, and then just click on the website and it will take you here. Then install the extension. As you can see, I've already installed it. Install the extension, make your new wallet, and save the 12 words. You guys, if you do the 12 words, you've lost your money. So always make sure you have your 12 words safe and never share it with anyone. And once you've done that, now you want to go onto this website. I'll put all the links in the description. What you want to do is go to Avail Force and then put your address in here, your Avail address in there, and click get Avail. So the way you're going to get that address is if you go here and put your password in, and you could just search Avail. I've already, because I've got balances already showing it, but you could just search Avail here and it will show up. Yeah, Avail Goldberg testnet. So go there, copy the address, paste it in there, and then hit get Avail. You won't let me do it because I think it's once 24 hours. So once you've done that, you can add this page to your daily to-do list if you want to claim more. I force it. You don't really need to, but if you want to, you can do that. Then just follow them on Twitter, Telegram. This one, leave it. I'll explain a bit later. And then Twitter and Telegram, and then just make sure you approve everything so that you can check that you have followed them. Then this one, what you have to do is they give you a instruction. So I'll show you here my notes in the task. They give you this command. So you need to go in your terminal. All Macs have a terminal, but I'm not sure what they have on Windows. I think Windows has it, or at least you can get it if you don't have it built in. You just paste this command in there, and then it will just write all these things, and then it will give you a public key. What you need to do is paste that public key in here. It will say paste public key. So paste the public key in there, and then that's it, and it will be approved, and then it will show you got it here. What I would recommend is save that public key for yourself, so then later on you can also check and prove that you've done it to them as well. Then lastly, all you need to do is mint this NFT. Like, you don't need any gas fees or anything. I had from the faucet, I already had some money. I don't know if it needs real money. I don't think you do, because obviously I didn't use real money. You might need some bit of faucet money. And yeah, just click get NFT and you'll be able to get it. And that's it. That's all the task done. But you just need to be quick, guys. It's only like 10-minute job, but I'm not sure if the knife is included. Hence why I'm rushing to do this video, so that people that see this can actually do it and get in straight away. And that's also why you want to make my channel, hit the bell notification, so that whatever there's time sensitive videos like this, you guys can do it straight away. Most of them aren't, so you can always take a bit of time to watch them. But usually stuff like this, sometimes I don't do it on purpose. It just so happens that I'm busy, whatnot, and then there's a deadline. I myself just done it now as well. Anyway, guys, hope you got some value from this video, and I'll see you in the next one.